Good morning, scholars. A few days ago, we took our number bonds assessment, and then we just had a worksheet yesterday. So we are going to continue with number bonds. Number bonds are really tough. That's why we spend so much time on these, because we really need to get these, all right? Because at first they start off a little bit tougher, and then they get easier as we do them. That's why most of us are starting to get them and really understand them, because we keep on practicing, and it's all about repetition, repetition, repetition when it comes to learning. That way we're getting it in your minds, and it will never leave your minds after you've got it. So that's why we do these so much. So today we are going to look at your homework. Okay, so your homework looks like this. It has the giraffes and the elephants at the top with the teddy bear in the middle. Okay, so the first thing we need to look at a few things. So when we look at this very first one, we see that we have a number bond. Remember, our number bond looks like this. This is our whole part. We know that because we have two legs coming off of it. Okay? And then the circles that only have the one leg coming off of them, those are our parts. So these two are our parts. This is the whole. And this whole thing that I just circled is our number bond. Okay? This down here, this is called our number sentence. When we look at this, we have a few new signs on this. So we have a sign that looks like this, and a sign that looks like this. Okay? So this is a plus sign. Okay? We use this for addition. Addition means that we are going to be adding something. So let's say Mr. Spivey was baking cookies. He baked himself one really big cookie. But then he was going to have one of his friends over. So he says, I don't want to give up my cookie. So I need to bake another cookie. So I'm adding one more cookie. So I have one cookie here and one cookie here. So how many cookies would Mr. Spivey have? I'd have two cookies, right? Here's one cookie, and here's the second cookie. So now, that is our plus sign, okay? We use this for addition. And this is our equal sign. So when we have equals, that means we'll say something like blank equals 1 plus 1, okay? So let's go ahead and look at our first problem. The first thing we need to do is we need to fill out our number bond. Well, the first thing is Mr. Spivey needs to read the directions to you. There are 7 animals. Okay, so we have 7 animals. There are 5 giraffes and 2 elephants. So it just told us that we have 7 animals. So we know that we have 7 total animals together. So we can go ahead and start filling out our number bond. 7 is our whole number. Okay. And then we just look how many giraffes we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you put the 5 into the parts. And then we had 2 elephants. So our number bond should look like that. And now all we do is fill out the rest of our number sentence. So this says blank equals 5 plus 2. So what is our other number that we have in our number bond? We have a 5 and 2. What is our last number? 7. Perfect. So you would just put the 7 in that box. So this says 7 equals 5 plus 2. Alright, scholars, so that's all we're going to have time for today. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time. Goodbye, friends.